Hi, I received a packet from Mirror Image. It is a store in Florence, South Carolina. The owner is Wanda Dubose James, and the hair quality is so awesome. It's lightweight. It doesn't feel like you're wearing anything. It's a lace. You can use it with the glue or without the glue. It's free flowing. It feels good. They have nice products that accommodate their human hair and synthetic hair. Like I said, the quality is awesome. I love it. There's more to come, but I just wanted you to check out Mirror Image, and their number is 843-206-8606, and their email is M, I as in item, H as in Harold, R as in Robert, A as in Adam, N as in Nancy, D as in David, T as in Tom, at gmail.com. Love their products. Think you need to get your hands on them. Again, it really feels like you're wearing nothing. It feels and looks natural. You can put it up. I wanted to test everything out before I came before you to present this product. So check them out, call them, email them, go find their website, Google them. Awesome. Mirror Image.